Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Rizwana with another video, and today we are going to know about some words. Those are a bit similar in pronunciation but quite different in meaning. So let's get started. In the very beginning we are getting three words. CITE, cite. It means to mention something as a reason or as an example what we are saying or what statement we are making. Okay, so it clarifies the source of the word. Alright, then the second site, SITE, it's a computer installation associated with an internet service. We use different kinds of websites for our different purposes, isn't it? Alright, so this is that side. The third side is the ability to say. This is one of the senses of our human body, isn't it? We can visualize anything through our eyesight. So our next words are dessert, dessert, dessert. The first word dessert is formed with double S, where rest of these two words are formed with single S. The first word dessert is a sweet dish that is eaten at the end of the meal. The second dessert is a verb which means to leave someone helpless or lonely. And the third one, dessert, is an area covered with full of sands and which possesses a very warm climate. Alright, our next words are principle and principal. The first one is ends with PLE, where second one ends with PAL. The first word principle is the rule that we need to follow or maintain as a good behavior. And principal is a person who is the head of a school or college. Like principal and principal, we have another two words. These are register and registrar. Okay, so register is an official list or records of something, where the registrar is a person of a school, college or university who handles the academic issues of an institution or who keeps all the records of an administration. Getting to the next words, these are quit, quite and quiet. Quit is a verb that means to leave a place. Quite means completely, entirely or totally. For an example, we can say, he's quite gentle. The exam was quite easy. Then the word quiet is an adjective. It means not to make noise. That means maintaining the silence. Okay, our last two words are content and content. We can notice the spelling and the pronunciation of these two words are completely same, but they are completely different in meaning too. Okay, let's know about them. The first word content is a verb that means to satisfy someone. On the other hand, the next content means the subjects or the topics of a book or any documents. So when we open a book to read, we can see the table of content. So that was all for today. Meet you soon inshallah. Till then, keep learning, spread goodness and stay safe. May Allah bless us all. Allah Hafiz.